Hey, it's Erica with MC Tool and Safety. I'm going to take you for a little tour of our warehouse. Why don't you come with me? Okay, so this first section is going to be our blades. Got a little bit of Bosch, a little bit of MK Morse. We also do Lennox. And then over here, a little bit more on the diamond blades and bit. Got some other accessories from MK Morse, Lennox. We do any size core bit. So a lot of them we stock up to 10 inches. And then other than that, if you want them any larger than that, we can sure order them in for you. That'll take us to our power tool section. We are primarily a Bosch distributor, and you'll see our wall of Bosch and a few other colors sprinkled in. Hand tools will be right here as well. So gas cans are a little hard to come by with the current steel stuff, but we have plenty in stock. So come check them out, all types, all colors. Here's the section for hand tools. We buy from a wide variety of suppliers, so come on in and get your favorite one. You see we stock traffic cones and other supplies, as well as all the shovels from Razorback and the Ames line. So now we brought us to our shipping and receiving department. Not my department, it's okay, I hire people for that. We stock a lot of hose from Abbott, and we can also order it in if you've got some special needs, so don't forget that. We're also currently carrying paint. Hard to get, but we got a lot. Along with the marking paint, we've got other markers like stake flags and tape, so check that out. We've got striking tools, we've got electrical cords, solution and wipes. So we all know what happened last year with COVID. We've got some supplies for you there and a little bit extra paint. These are more upright cans versus the inverted. Tapes, sprayers, everything you need to keep clean and safe and sanitized. And right here we've got lasers for measuring distance and also keeping things on the level. Now high-vis is huge. We keep getting more and more, so come in, check it out and see it. There's mostly boxes. You'll see a little bit of high-vis. There's a whole lot of it under the boxes. We've also got classes for days, the rest of our striking tools. Now fall protection's huge and hard. We've got a lot of it, and we've got a lot of people that know a lot of things. So come on in, we'll make sure you're set up and safe. We've got racks of gloves as well. Everything from disposables to reusables. We also have brooms and poly and some of the other peripherals. More stuff to keep clean. We also carry a full line of 3M respirators as well as a few other brands. 3M's our best seller. We've got one here, so check it out. Cartridges to be used along with that. Now if you guys do any confined space, we've got gas monitors for you. We primarily stock the BW from Honeywell's version, so we'll see we're set there. In addition, we've got our own line of gas, and it works for any 4-gas monitor, and we can get it in any desired solution that you need. Just let us know.